Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a tutorial of how to curl a messy bob. So first, take a clip and your pinky and just right where the temple is, that's going to be our first section. So you're just going to clip that back just like that. I'm going to use a 1-inch iron. Make sure it's hot. That is like pro tip, make sure this heats up. Do not start until it's nice and hot. So the first section, do like a nice inch. I'm gonna wrap it flat around the iron and I'm gonna tap it just like this. Give it like 10 seconds and we're just gonna pull down gently. And it's gonna get you that perfect wave. I'm gonna do the same thing on this section. So wrap the hair flat. 10 seconds. And then gently pull down. Okay, the next section, just take your finger and do about another inch right near that temple. And I'm gonna do this piece toward the face now. Same thing, wrap it. Keep that first wave eye level. You'll always have the perfect face frame if it's eye level. And then we're gonna pull down. And then same thing here, toward the face. Keep that wave eye level. And then pull down. Bring down the rest of the hair. We're gonna take this front piece, so it's like a nice inch. Same thing, this time we're doing it away from the face, eye level. We're gonna give it 10 seconds. And pull down, just hold. What that does is gently elongates the curl so you don't have that tight wave. It like really makes that perfect bend. And then same thing away, nice and flat. And keep that curl right at eye level. And then gently hold. After this, I'm taking just a little texture spray. Just spraying a little. And don't touch it. What that's gonna do is let these waves set and cool down, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Take your pinky, go right from the temple, pin this back. We're gonna start with this piece here. And take our iron, same thing, wrap it nice and flat, and give it about 10 seconds. Same with this piece, wrap it flat. Okay, next section, I'm gonna do half of this, pull it up, clip it away, take this 1-inch piece, this time wrapping it toward the face, and then curl eye level, so right there. Pull down. Same with this, nice and flat. Wrap it, keep that curl the same level, and pull down gently. Okay, last section. Make sure you get a nice wide piece for the front. We're gonna go eye level. So right at the eye, that's where that first bend is. And take it, gently hold. And then to finish the front, away from the face. Same level as the first one. And then pull down. So spray it to hold. And then we're not gonna touch it. We're just gonna let all this curl set and go into place. Okay, for the last section, we're gonna repeat the same thing we did in the front, but what I like to do is take each wave and each follows itself, and then I flip it. So all these are gonna go this way, all those are gonna go this way. And it just makes it more messy in the back. The front, I like it to have a little bit more like cohesion. So we're gonna wrap toward the face. I always give the back more time too, because the hair tends to be healthier. So I would even give the back like 15 seconds each curl, because they tend to not curl as well. And then you're just following the same direction. Okay, next section. Do about an inch up, clip this away. And now all the curls were going this way. Now we're gonna go this way. Same type of section, a nice inch, clip the rest away. So those went this way, we're gonna go back this way. Okay, last section, just bring it all down. Now we're gonna go back this way. One more spray. Okay, so what I like to use is pomade. And I know that sounds scary, but it's awesome. So I take my finger and you're literally just gonna tuck it in the jar like this and pop out what comes on the nail. That way you get the perfect amount and you're not doing too much. Put it in your palm and just heat it up a little bit. And you kind of want something with a little bit of grit. You don't want it to be too shiny. And then what I'm gonna do is take my hands underneath and I'm just gonna massage it in and slightly drag out her curls. And why I like doing this is it gives a ton of volume. It also gets all the product in the back first, so you don't put too much in the front and make the hair greasy. And I also love the way wave gets pulled out when it's toward the face. Okay, so after that, I take the rest that's on my hands, and I just take the front pieces and I pull them up like this, and I just kind of coat them a little bit, and then I let it fall back, and that'll just perfectly face frame you. And I pull these little parts right here. I take my thumbs and I just kind of like wriggle them forward, and that's gonna give you that really pretty bend in the front. Now you can take the rest, you literally just, almost like you're starting a fire, right on the ends. And that's gonna give them that awesome like texture without doing too much product or like hairspray. And it makes them all wispy, which is really cool. One more time, texture spray. I'm gonna spray it all one more time. Okay, so this is the final look. Obsessed with it. It's the perfect amount of like messy, sexy, but it also looks done. Anytime you use product, just so you guys know, if you can't put your hands through it, don't use it. So I love Davines. The texture spray is amazing. I'm gonna link all this below for you guys though, so you'll have the whole list. And I'll also link my iron. It's my favorite iron I've ever had. It's a 1-inch, just so you guys know. But yeah, leave me comments below if you guys have any questions. And yeah, I hope you guys love this style. I'll see you guys soon. Bye. Mwah.